Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing a nice and easy sausage and mushroom pasta. So, you're going to start off by browning up about a half cup of Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage. Now, it wasn't quite rendering out as much fat as I would like, so I added a little bit of olive oil to help it on its way. Now, keep browning. Okay, they're all brown now. Now, take the juice of half a lemon, deglaze the pan, get all that nice and flavor off the bottom of the pan. Now throw in about 4 mushrooms quartered up. These are bellas. Now cook those just a little bit. Now add a little bit more oil, tablespoon or 2 or 3. Now put in 2 to 3 cloves of grated garlic. And now cook your mushrooms until you get nice golden brown. And at this point, you're going to add about a half cup of cream and a quarter cup of grated parmesan. Now, you're going to simmer this. You're not going to bring it to a boil, just let it lightly simmer, because now it's time to cook your pasta. That sauce will take about 10 minutes to come together. Now, salt your water. It should taste salty, and put your pasta in. You're going to cook it according to the directions on the box. If your sauce dries out a little bit, feel free to add a little bit of that salted water in to keep it at the consistency that you want. Now you can add a little bit of salt and pepper now, but I usually like to wait until after I put the noodles in, because the pasta noodles are going to be salted from the water. When your pasta is done cooking, about a minute or 2 shorter than it says on the box, you're going to drain them and you're going to put them into your pan with your sauce. You're going to mix it up. Let it simmer for another minute or so. You can add some more parmesan or parsley or pepper or whatever you want, but usually I just serve it up and it's ready to go. Enjoy.